guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. I see a lot of new subscribers here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Moving on to today's video, I wanted to keep this life update video very raw, and I'm gonna tell you everything that's happened in the past 2 months in my life and how I'm coping up with it. There are a few changes that took place in my life, good and bad, both. So we'll be talking about it in this video. So make sure you watch till the end. And I also had a lot of questions which you guys have asked me on Instagram that I wasn't able to answer in the last video, so I would make sure to answer it in this video. So my life has been miserable. The past 2 months have been very bad, and of course almost everyone knows by now that I lost my grandfather to cancer, and it's been the worst thing ever, and I do not even know how to express because I feel like I'll start crying if I tell you guys more about it, but I need to, so yeah, let me begin. So my grandfather was hospitalized twice in 15 days because of cancer. He had bone cancer, and bone cancer jaldi detect nahi hota. That's what doctors say, and cure bhi nahi hota. So we even asked him if he wanted to go with the aggressive treatment of chemotherapy, और दूसरा ऑप्शन ये था कि वो ऐसे ही रहेंगे, यही स्टेट में रहेंगे जैसे पहले थे, वही पेन एंड ऑल. So he searched everything, every goddamn thing on the internet. He found out everything that's been happening to him. उन्होंने सब find out करने के बाद he just said that he wants to go with the aggressive treatment. We just made sure that he was okay, and we just assured him that everything was going to be fine. Next day we took him to the hospital, एडमिट किया, एंड देन उसके एक दिन बाद केमोथेरेपी का फर्स्ट डोज दिया. ही वाज जस्ट फाइन. आई मीन ही वाज ऑल राइट. बस रात में थोड़ा सा तंग करते थे सोने में, बट इट वाज जस्ट फाइन. इट वाज जस्ट वेरी मिनिमल. फिर ही केम बैक होम एंड उनको चलने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रही थी, एंड उनका एक पैर पैरालाइज हो गया था पूरा. एंड आई मीन I've seen him like not able to walk properly. It just made my heart sink to another level. We just assured him that we all were there with him, and he's not alone. He was an independent man and he was a warrior. I mean, बिल्कुल भी उनको पेन नहीं था, by God's grace. It just he was a fighter. I'm sorry. When he came back home, he wasn't able to walk properly. His right leg was paralyzed. We literally had, I mean, no clue until he wasn't able to stand and he wasn't able to do anything on his own. And he was completely bedridden. I mean, liquid पे थे last में. दूसरी बार जब हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया तब उनको बेड शोर हो गया था. हीमोग्लोबिन बहुत कम हो गया था. तो डॉक्टर्स सेड दैट जब तक हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल पे नहीं आता तब तक वी कैन नॉट गो अहेड विद द सेकेंड केमोथेरेपी डोज. तो उनको फिर एडमिट किया क्योंकि हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल पे आने के बाद फिर they can give him the second dose. Hemoglobin आया लाइन पे, and after like 2 to 3 days of he being in hospital, hemoglobin लाइन पे आ गया था, and फिर उनको बेड सोर चालू हुआ. After 2 to 3 days again बेड सोर ठीक हो गया. And the doctor said कि ठीक है, ले जाओ इनको, डिस्चार्ज मिलेगा. And I remember clearly Monday था तभी, the week had just begun, and Monday था तभी, and I was so happy that he was home, and I was just praying to God constantly कि भगवान थैंक यू, आपने अच्छा किया उनको घर पे लाके. I feel like रात में भी he did not eat anything. मैंने लास्ट डिनर उनका खिलाया. Just super grateful to God कि थोड़ा उनके लिए मैंने किया लास्ट में. But we didn't know कि वो इतने जल्दी चले जाएंगे. I mean, sometimes I still do not believe to the fact that he is no more because he was such a joyful person. हमेशा से वो एक disciplined आदमी. He was a very joyful person. I cannot believe that within a fluke we've lost him. I mean, June month in total has been so bad. And you know the worst part is 25th को he took his last breath and 28th को उनका बर्थडे था. और हमने हॉस्पिटल में ये भी डिस्कस किया था उनके साथ कि आपको कौन सा केक पसंद है. चॉकलेट केक पसंद है, हम चॉकलेट केक आपके लिए लाएंगे and all of that. But I mean, he was very excited, and like all the other years, this year he was very excited for his birthday too. हमको हॉस्पिटल में रिमाइंड करते थे कि हाँ मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, याद है ना तुमको. Like, yeah, we know, obviously. I've lived with him for over 18 years. Like, बहुत मुझे याद आती है उनकी, because I was the closest to him and he was my favorite person in the entire universe, and I feel like I've lost him so goddamn early. I miss him every single day. Every single thing reminds me of that person. I think there are so many things that I would be learning from him. Being disciplined was the number one habit that I would be learning from him. Time management was the most important factor that he had in himself. Reading books was another important factor that he had in himself. Like, his English was top notch. That was all I had to update you on my grandfather, and I hope he's watching me from above and showering his blessings as he always did. Okay, coming back to second life update. I cut my hair, as you can see, and I genuinely wanted to give myself a good haircut, and I did, and it's not that bad. I wanted curtain bangs since a very long time, and I finally did it, and this is nothing but a straight cut. So my hair were like my hips का length. I cut it very short, इधर तक shoulder length से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. And I feel so good after a haircut. And I feel like थोड़े दिनों में haircut कराना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. बाल इतने जल्दी तो नहीं बढ़ने वाला है, but touch wood, I do not have hair fall now. Please नज़र मत लगाना. I took my mom's reaction, but I'm not posting because she'd kill me if I do. She did not like my haircut. It was very short. And my auntie as well. She was under this impression that I won't cut my hair, but I did. Sometimes short hair is better. Life update part 3. This is sort of a danger life update. And I met with an accident 3 days ago. I mean, I'm not ha-haing about it, but just did meet with an accident like 3 to 4 days ago. I'd gone for like a quick grocery run. I just went and मैं स्कूटी पे थी, and I came back and parking lot में जब enter की तब सामने से एक गाड़ी आ रही थी. So I just turned to the right and उधर ना slippery था, like algae होता है ना जिससे slip होते हैं, तो वो स्लिपरी था. एंड उधर कीचड़ भी था, बहुत मतलब गंदा वाला कीचड़ था. एंड उधर बाइक मेरी उधर फिसल गई एंड एक्टिवा 100 किलो की एक्टिवा मेरे पैर पे गिरी. एंड दीज आर द इमेजेस टू प्रूव that I met with like a major accident, and my life hasn't been better since then. The guy who was in the car did not even look back at me कि अच्छा गिरी है इसको उठा देता हूँ या सिर्फ पूछ लेता हूँ कि ये कैसी है. भाई कुछ नहीं चला गया वो अपना. But anyway, I am doing much better now. I had updated on my Instagram about this incident, and there were quite a few messages regarding my health, and I am doing much better now. Thank you so much. I feel this was all that I had to share with you guys here. And YouTube is a platform where I can be raw, where I can be myself, where I know no one would judge me. Even if you do, or even if people do, I wouldn't care because I have such a loving family. So thank you for your immense love, and I'm sure to be active on YouTube from now on. मैं हर एक लाइफ अपडेट के वीडियो के बाद यही बोलती हूँ, but मैं रहूँगी अभी active. I thank every one of you for your constant support. Thank you for your sweetest messages every single day. Yeah, that's all about my life update, and I'll see you.